Hello everyone, welcome all of you in my channel S&T Power Vision. In this video we will learn about what is the selected value function in the DAX. So let's start here. Basically selected value returns the value when the context for column name has been filtered down to one distinct value only. Otherwise returns alternate results. Its syntax is the selected value, column name, alternate result. Column name is basically the name of an existing column using standard DAX syntax. It cannot be an expression here. What is the alternate result? That is optional. The value returned when the context for column name has been filtered down to 0 or more than one distinct value. When not provided, the default value is blank. So here I will see with the example. So here I will explain how selected value works with an example. Here take a slicer. Adjust its size as per your convenience. Now here product name. Now here we will take a card. Now we'll do some formatting here. Make visual border with shadow effects so that we can distinguish from others. Now here we'll make a DAX function here. New measure here. We'll see the selected value is and here this AND character is used to concatenate the value. Selected value cells product name, otherwise nothing. Now run it. We move here. Here if you see, go to the product name. Here we have selected classic waste L. So that's why the selected value is classic waste L here. If you take another one like hydration pack 70 OZ, so do some formatting here. Now we can see its boundary. Suppose we selected here all purpose bike stand. So the selected value is all purpose bike stand here. Suppose we don't want any value here. So selected value is nothing here. Means as an alternate, if we go to the DAX here, we can see the selected value is and selected value, that is sales product name here. If we are not selecting any value, then it will show nothing here. Again we'll see LL mountain tire, the selected value is LL mountain tire. Like that its selected value work. So this is a example of how selected value work.